Hi everyone. In today's video, I just want to quickly share something very helpful. If you're building a website using WordPress, and you're looking for a free template, then you're in the right place. Yes, this is a completely free WordPress template that you can easily download and use on your website without any cost. Whether you're creating a blog, an online store, a business website, or even a personal portfolio, this template can be a great starting point. It's user-friendly, responsive, and works perfectly with most popular plugins, so even if you're a beginner, you can get started without any technical skills. Now, if you're interested in more templates like this, maybe something a bit more advanced, or designed for a specific type of website, feel free to contact me. My email is given in the video description below. Just send me a message, and I'll be happy to share more free and useful templates with you. Also, if you need any kind of help related to WordPress, theme installation, customization, or building your site from scratch, I'm here to help. Just drop me an email or leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for your download link and contact info. See you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. It really supports the channel and keeps me motivated to bring more useful content for you. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so you never miss an update whenever I upload a new video related to WordPress, free templates, website tips, and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy designing.